Hello! Quick update. I'm back on my boat for the first time in 3 weeks. Just over there are Dave and... don't focus on the fire. Dave and Jack, who dropped me off very kindly. Let me get back here. First of all, massive thank you. I need to get out of the wind. I keep doing this, don't I? Thank you to all the new subscribers that Gemma and Simon kindly sent over. I appreciate it muchly. Quick update on the boat. She doesn't stink like I thought she would. No water in the bilge, well, a tiny little bit. So the auto pump's been looking after her. I didn't actually film it, but I bought a solar panel and just lashed it to the front. Just for while I was away. Just to keep the battery topped up, just in case something happened and the auto pump needed to run for a while. But check the battery, it's at 98%. So remarkably, despite me being absolutely certain that my boat was going to sink, she's still alive. Oh yeah, this is a daily update, by the way. I've not done one of them in a while, have I? So yeah, she's all good in the hood. Might have a 20-minute nap, don't tell anybody. And then get some fenders out, get into the marina for a night, and then set off on my travels tomorrow after I've done some jobs. So yeah, daily update. Still alive, remarkably, against all odds. Oh my god, a dolphin. Oh my god, an actual dolphin just came to the surface right next to me. Holy shine a light. I don't believe it. Oh god, that's amazing. Oh, he's playing with the mooring ball. Probably eating things off it. I'm not even pointing it at it because I'm too busy watching it. A dolphin! Sorry, I was just banging the water just in case it came over. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm never leaving this place. It's literally, oh, you won't be able to see, but he's parked up right next to the mooring ball, just probably eating little fish and stuff off the ball, or maybe having a scratch. Oh my god. Oh, you don't see this in Bolton, do you? I wouldn't make a wildlife photographer, would I? Because I'm garbage with a camera. I'm too busy looking at it myself because I'm a bit excited. Gone now. I can guarantee I'll put the camera away and pop up. Okay, I'll put the camera away. So that was a moment of excitement. Oh my god. She literally, or he literally was inches away from my boat. I turned around in shock because I thought somebody had come back and I sounded like an idiot talking to the camera again, like I always do, but... Okay, those aren't tears in my eyes, it's windy. Oh no, she's still there. Pretend you're a dog and come here. Okay, this was a quick daily update. It's going to be a 20-minute video about a dolphin. I mean, ha 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 ha. Oh my god. She's just there near the thing. Shall I go to the bow? I've not got sea legs, I've not been on a boat. Yeah, there she is. I can actually see her in the water much better than you guys can, but... A dolphin is eating my mooring ball. Not a euphemism. Oh. Sorry, point the camera at the dolphin. Oh my god. This is incredible. Point the camera at the dolphin, Brown. Oh. I guarantee I'll drop my phone and this video will never see the light of day. Oh, I think she's gone. I'm too scared to put the phone down in case she does something cool. Sorry, this is probably really boring. I'll fast forward this bit. No, I won't, because I'm just uploading straight from my phone. Let me tell you a story. There once was a ship that... No, I can't sing. I think it's gone. Oh, I want you to stay forever. Okay, I'm calling it. Oh my god. I saw a dolphin off my own boat. Wind. That's enough. I'm going. 1, 2, 3. Nah, she's gone.